Have you ever wondered if your crypto is truly safe? In a world where digital assets are becoming increasingly popular, the question of security looms large. We hear stories about hacks, scams, and lost fortunes, and it's enough to make anyone nervous. Today, we're diving deep into a specific platform to answer that very question: how safe is the Gemini crypto app? Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our crypto-related content. We're dedicated to bringing you the information you need to navigate the exciting, yet sometimes confusing, world of digital currencies. Now, let's talk about Gemini. Founded by the Winklevoss twins, yes, those Winklevoss twins, the ones who famously tangled with Mark Zuckerberg over Facebook, Gemini has positioned itself as a regulated and secure platform for buying, selling, and storing cryptocurrency. But is that reputation justified? Is it really as safe as they claim? That's what we're here to find out. First, let's look at the features Gemini offers. They support a wide range of cryptocurrencies, from the well-known like Bitcoin and Ethereum to newer and more niche tokens. Their interface is generally considered user-friendly, making it accessible even for those new to crypto trading. They also offer advanced trading tools for more experienced users. But a slick interface and a wide selection of coins don't guarantee security. So, what security measures does Gemini have in place? This is where things get interesting. Gemini emphasizes a security-first approach, and they back that up with several key features. One of the most important aspects of Gemini's security is their commitment to regulation. They are a New York trust company, regulated by the New York State Department of Financial Services. This means they are subject to strict financial regulations and audits, which adds a layer of oversight and accountability that many other exchanges lack. This regulatory compliance is a big plus in terms of building trust and ensuring the platform adheres to high standards. Another crucial element is their use of cold storage for the majority of their users' crypto assets. Cold storage means keeping the cryptocurrency offline, completely disconnected from the internet. This dramatically reduces the risk of hacking, as the assets are not accessible to online attackers. Think of it like storing your valuables in a bank vault rather than leaving them out in the open. Gemini claims to hold the vast majority of their assets in cold storage, which provides a significant level of protection. Beyond cold storage, Gemini also utilizes two-factor authentication, 2FA, for all user accounts. 2FA adds an extra layer of security by requiring users to provide a second form of verification, such as a code from their phone, in addition to their password. This makes it much harder for unauthorized individuals to access your account, even if they somehow manage to get your password. It's a simple but incredibly effective security measure that everyone should be using. Gemini also employs robust internal security measures, including access controls, encryption, and regular security audits. They have a dedicated security team that constantly monitors the platform for suspicious activity and works to identify and mitigate potential threats. They also conduct penetration testing to identify vulnerabilities and ensure their systems are resilient to attacks. Now, let's address some common concerns. No platform is completely immune to risk. While Gemini has a strong track record and robust security measures, it's important to remember that the crypto space is constantly evolving, and new threats are always emerging. Even the most secure platforms can be vulnerable to sophisticated attacks. It's also crucial to remember that your own security practices play a significant role in protecting your crypto. Choosing a strong, unique password, enabling 2FA, and being wary of phishing scams are essential steps that every crypto user should take, regardless of the platform they use. Remember, your security is a shared responsibility. Another thing to consider is the issue of insurance. While Gemini is regulated, it's important to understand that traditional deposit insurance, like FDIC insurance for bank accounts, does not apply to cryptocurrency. Gemini does have some insurance coverage, but the specifics of that coverage and what it protects are important to understand. It's always advisable to read the fine print and understand the limitations of any insurance policy. So, Is Gemini safe? The answer, like most things in the crypto world, is not a simple yes or no. Gemini has implemented a number of strong security measures, including regulation, cold storage, and 2FA, which make it a relatively secure platform compared to many others. However, no platform is completely risk-free, and it's crucial to understand the potential risks and take your own security precautions. Ultimately, the best way to determine if Gemini is right for you is to do your own research. Read their security policies, understand their fee structure, and compare them to other exchanges. Consider your own security practices and risk tolerance. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose, and always be vigilant about protecting your personal information and your crypto assets. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.